So, welcome to all of you for today's paper discussion, IBPS RRB PO Prelims Mock Test 1 discussion. So, please see here the first question number 1 to 40 are based on reasoning and 41 to 80 are based on quant. So, first 1 to 5 is based on the puzzle. See, there are 8 family members F, G, H, I, J, K, L and M. They all have different professions. Wise athlete, boxer, cricketer, lawyer, engineer, coordinator, doctor and event manager. H is the father of cricketer. H is the father of cricketer. H is the father of cricketer. This is given. H is the father of cricketer. L is the daughter of event manager. L is the daughter of event manager. So L is the daughter of event manager. This is what is given. The one who is doctor is grandmother of K. The one who is doctor is the grandmother of K. Grandmother of K. So K's parent is there and the above generation is doctor here. Now next, the one who is doctor is grandmother of K, who has 2 brothers. Who has 2 brothers? So here K has 2 brothers. K has 2 brothers. K has 2 brothers. Okay. The one who is doctor is the grandmother of K, who has 2 brothers. K is a coordinator. K is a coordinator. This is what is given. I, who is an event manager, is married to F. So I is the event manager and is married to F. So I and F are married couple. I, who is the event manager, is married to F. H is a boxer. H is a boxer. H is a boxer and is married to the lawyer. H is married to lawyer. G is the mother of J and K. G is the mother of J and K. G is the mother of J and K. So J is a brother of K and G is the mother of J and K. G is the mother of J and K. There are 2 married couples in the family. One married couple is H and the lawyer. The other married couple is I and F. So definitely next, the one who is coordinator is a female. While the one who is an engineer is a male. Engineer is a male. Okay, this is what is given. Next, the athlete is the sister of the boxer. The athlete is the sister of the boxer. The athlete is the sister of the boxer. Okay. Who is married to G? Who is married to G? The athlete. Where is that? The athlete is the sister of boxer. The athlete is the sister of boxer. Who is married to G? So who is married to G? Boxer is married to G. Boxer is married to G means G is lawyer. G is lawyer. Okay. And then J is not a cricketer. J is not cricketer. J is not cricketer. So now, how can this be totally drawn? See, in the totally combined together. So it is given that H and G are married couple. H is the boxer, G is the lawyer, and G is the mother of K. G is the mother of K, and here I can take like this. So H and G are married couple. Okay, and H and G are married couple. Now I and F are a married couple. I and F are a married couple. Here I is event manager. And L is a daughter. L is the daughter. L is the daughter means, so what does it mean? We can take like this. So this is like this married couple have 2 children. Okay. So L is the daughter. L is the daughter. And H and G are the parents of J, K and the other person. J, K and the other person. So who is the other person? I, F are fixed. F, G, H. F, G, H. I, J, K, L. So it is M. It is M. So now you can say, is already given that K is minus, these 2 are plus, and K is a coordinator. K is a coordinator, and H is boxer. H is boxer, and G is lawyer. G is lawyer. L is a athlete. L is a athlete. Now anything else is there? Yes. This is doctor. Grandmother is doctor. So it is plus. It is minus. So it is doctor. Now the remaining professions are engineer and cricketer. J is not a cricketer. J is not a cricketer means J is an engineer. So M is a cricketer. M is a cricketer. So this is the final thing we can have. I and F are married couple. Their 2 children. So here what you understand? H and G is a married couple. J, K, M are the children of the married couple H and G. So this is what can be understood from here. Now next, how many male members are there in the family? So how many male members are there in the family? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 male members are there in the family. Next, second question. How is L related to G? How is L related to G? If you see here, how is L related to G? How is L related to G? L is sister-in-law. L is sister-in-law of G. Next. What is the profession of M? Profession of M, just we have discussed, M is a cricketer. M is a cricketer. Next. Who among the following is doctor? The top one, I and F married couple. So F is doctor. F is doctor. Right? Now next. Which of the following statement is definitely true? G is married to athlete. G is married to athlete is wrong. G is married to H. H is not an athlete. H is a boxer. The event manager is grandfather of athlete. Wrong. M is the son of G and is a cricketer. M is the son of G and is a cricketer is correct. So answer C is correct. Answer C is correct. Now, next puzzle. In a family of 7 members, there are 4 female members. T is the mother of M. T is the mother of M. T is the mother of M. Okay. So there should be father. T is the mother of M. P is the brother of M. P is the brother of M means like this. T is the mother of M, P is the brother of M. So these two are siblings. G is the grandfather of P. G is the grandfather of P means G is the grandfather of P. Okay. H is the mother-in-law of T. H is the mother-in-law of T means G and H are married couple. G and H are married couple, and H is the mother-in-law. H is the mother-in-law of T. H is the mother-in-law of T. V is the brother of S. V is the brother of S. Who is sister-in-law? V is the brother of S. Who is sister-in-law of T? So S is sister-in-law of T means this married couple G and H. So S is the sister-in-law of V is the brother of S. V is the brother of S. Who is the sister-in-law of T? V is the brother of S. V is the brother of S means V is the brother of S. V is the brother of S. Who is the sister-in-law of T? So here G and H are married couple. G and H are married couple. Their two children are V and S, and this V is the son, S is the daughter of G and H, and this T and V are married couple, and their two children are M and P. And here about the gender of M, and it is given there are 4 female members. T is a female, S is a female, H is a female, male, male, male. So there are 4 females means this must be female. M must be female. How is H related to P? How is H related to P? H is the what? H is the grandmother. H is the grandmother. H is the grandmother of P. Next. How is M related to S? How is M related to S? If you see here, how is M related to S? So brother's daughter, sibling's daughter is niece. Sibling's daughter is niece. So it is, the answer is niece. Next one. How is V related to G? How is V related to G? If you see here, G is the, how is V related to G? G and H are married couple. V is the son of G. So how is V related to G means V is the son of G. V is the son of G is the answer. Next. Next one. A puzzle based on, I think, directions. In a park, JT and LMN are playing a game. All are facing north. All are facing north. All are facing north. K is 50 meters to the right of M. K is 50 meters to the right of M. So from here to here, it is 50 meters. J is 70 meters to the south of K. J is 70 meters to the south of K. L is 50 meters to the west of M. This is M. So L is 50 meters to the west of M. N is 95 meters to the north of J. This is 70. So this is 25. So here you have N. This is 25 meters. Okay. All are facing north. Now who among the following is to the southeast of the person who is to the left of M? Who is to the left of M? Left of M is L. Who is to the southeast of L? Southeast of L is, this is southeast. Southeast of L is J. So answer is J. Answer is J. Next, if a kid walks from L, meets K, followed by J, and then N, how many meters does he walk if he travels the straight line distance all through? So if a kid walks from L, meets K, L to K, L, K, Z, L, K, J, N, L, K, J, N. Please see here, L, K, J, N. L to K it is 100, L to K it is 100, and again here. So totally it is 195. 100, am I correct or not? L to K followed by J and then N. So what is the answer? How many meters does he walk if he travels the straight line distance all through? So what is the answer? If a kid walks, L meets K followed by J and then N. So how much distance here he has to travel? Tell me. L to K and J, then N. So totally it would be 100 plus 70, 170, and then again N. He has to go to N. So it has to be 195. 195. So if a kid walks from L, meets K, followed by J and N, J and N. So how much it will be? Am I correct or not? So here, how much it would be? 195. 195. Next question. It is also based on puzzle. Please see what is given here. 8 boxes MNOP QR ST. 8 boxes MNOP QR ST are placed one above the other, but not necessarily the same order. All boxes contain different number of coins. 5, 8, 25, 30, 35, 48, 58, 60, not necessarily in the same order. 3 boxes are placed between box O and which is placed between box N and box Q. So 3 boxes are placed in between. So now we have to arrange like this. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 8. Right. So totally we have 8 boxes here. It is given that 3 boxes are placed between box O. And 3 boxes are placed between box O and box M. Box M, which contains 48 coins. So M contains 48 coins. This is what is given. N contains 50 coins and is placed immediately above O. So N is immediately above O and it contains 50 coins. 50 coins. There is only one box. There is only one box somewhere below S. Where is that? There is only one box which is placed between N and Q. Between N and Q there is only one box, that is O. So it is O. There is only one box between N and box Q which contains 60 coins. Box P contains 5 coins and it is placed somewhere below S. Somewhere below S. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 more boxes have to be there. Now there is only, it's over. Box P contains 5 coins and is placed somewhere below S. Somewhere below S. Below S, P has to be there. Which contains, box P contains 5 coins. And it is placed somewhere below S. Only 2 boxes are placed between box S and T. Between box S and T, there are only 2 boxes. There are only 2 boxes between S and T. So these 3 cannot be what? There are only 2 boxes. There are only 2 boxes. So this must be S. If I take this as S, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I need 2 more boxes now. Between S and T, there have to be 2 boxes. So we have to keep the possibilities here. Between Q and S, next, let us go. Box S has less coins than box T. Box S is not placed at an odd numbered position. Odd numbered position when counted from bottom. So the counting is done from bottom means it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4, it is 5, it is 6, it is 7, it is 8. So now what is given? The box which contains 50 coins is not placed below the box which contains 50 coins is not placed below the box which has 48 coins. 48 coins. So it means definitely N is above M. N is above M. And box, and one more is there. One more is there here. Only 2 boxes are placed between S and T. Between S and T, there are only 2 boxes. Only 2 boxes. And T has 25 coins. T has 25 coins given. And the box which contains is over. Box S is not placed at an odd number. It has odd numbered position when counted from bottom. Box S has less coins than box T. Box T less than 25. Less than 25. The box which contains highest number of coins is not placed at top. Not placed at top. So highest number of boxes is coins is how much? 60. So Q is not at the top. Now the box which contains least number of coins will not be placed at the bottom. So least number of coins is 5. So P is not at the bottom. P is not at the bottom. So if I take P here and S here, okay, P here, S here, and what else? P is, if I take, it is given that P is below S. P is below S. So I am making S here. And between S and T there are 2 persons. There are 2. Between S and T there are 2. And T has 25. T has 25. P has 5. And S. And what is the remaining? What is the remaining? NO, Q, S, M. R is missing. This is R. Now, see, this is the arrangement of the boxes. T, P, M, S, R, Q, O, N. N has 50 and Q has 60 and R we don't know. Yes, how many? We don't know. M 48, P is 5 and T is 25. The box which contains 35 coins will not be placed on top. So now what are the things we can consider here? Only two boxes are T has already we calculated this. Now how many does P has 5 coins. The box which contains 50 coins it is also used. The box which is placed at the odd number position when counted. The box S is not placed in the odd number, it is also done. The box S has less number of coins than box T. S has less number of coins than box T. So as compared to 25, which is less 18. So S is 18. S is 18. Then box S has less number of coins than box T. The box which contains highest number of coins is not on top. It is already utilized. Highest is 60 utilized. Now the box which contains least number of coins will not be placed at the bottom. Box R contains more coins than O. So now the remaining figures are 30 and 35. So R has more than O means it is 30, it is 35. So this is how we arrange. Now the question, how many boxes are placed between P and S? Between P and S, how many boxes are placed? Only one, that is M. That is M. Only one. Next. See, once you frame the table, things are done. Box which is placed at the bottom contains how many coins? So at the bottom, the bottommost contains how many? 25. 25. Next. Which among the following box is placed at top? At top, which box is there? At top, we have box N. Box N. So box N is the answer. Next. Which box is placed immediately above the box which contains 35 coins? Which contains 35 coins? Which contains 35 coins? Just now I have said R. So above R. So what is the question? Which box contains? The box Q. Above R, which box is there? Q. So answer is Q. The box which contains 35, above that you have box Q which contains 60 coins. Next. How many coins are there in box O? Already we have discussed just now between O and R. O is 30, R is 35. So O is 30. Next. Next puzzle. Next puzzle, see, it is based on sitting arrangement. 8 friends P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W are sitting around a square table in such a way that 4 of them sit at 4 corners of the square while the other 4 sit in the middle of each side. All of them like different colors: green, blue, red, black, white, pink, yellow and orange. The one who sit at the 4 corners do not face towards the center. So it means there is a square table like this, and here some people are sitting at the corners, some people are sitting at the center of each side. The ones who sit at the 4 corners do not face towards center, so they face outward center. They face outward center. Those who are sitting in the corners are facing outward center, while those who sit in the middle of the sides do not face outside. So these people face the center. This is the understanding. Next, R likes red color. And sits third to the right of T. R sits third to the right of T. Only 2 persons sit between T and the one who likes green color. Green color. Okay. R likes red color. R likes red color and 6 third to the right of T. Only 2 persons sit between T and the person who likes green color. S likes black color and is an immediate neighbor of R. P likes pink color. P likes pink color. Q6 second to the right of the one who likes orange color. The one who likes red color faces the one who likes white color. Who likes white color. So the one who likes red color faces the one who likes white color. So these two are facing each other. So I am taking red here and white here. I am starting from here. The one who likes red color faces the one who likes white color. U is not an immediate neighbor of the one who likes white color. So U is not here. U is not here. Okay. U likes blue color. U likes blue color. Okay. U's color is fixed. That is blue. So this color is not blue. This color is not blue. This is not U. This is not U. Next. Neither V nor W like orange. V not orange. W is also not orange. Now again go to the beginning. R likes the red color. So R is red. R is red. R likes the red color and 6 third to the right of T. R is third to the right of T. When I take T here, it becomes left. So T must be here. T must be here. Okay. Because third right, R likes red color and 6 third to the right of T. Third to the right of T means T must be here. T is facing the outward center. So it is right, it is left. So T is first right, T is second right, T is third right is R. Now, only 2 persons sit between T and the one who likes green color. Only 2 persons sit between T. So it cannot be green because definitely 2 persons sit between the person T and the one who likes green means green must come here. Okay? Because 2 persons have to be between the persons T and the one who likes green. So it is already fixed as red. So it must be green. It must be green. Next. S likes black color. S likes black color. S black. And is an immediate neighbor of R. S likes black color and is an immediate neighbor of R. It can be S black or it can also be S black. I don't know where it is exactly. It can be S black, it can be S black. Okay? Next. P likes pink color. P likes pink color. Q6 second to the right of the one who likes orange color. Q6 second to the right of the one who likes orange color. Q6 second to the right of the one who likes orange color. Second to the right. No. He is already Q6 second to the right of the one who likes orange color. It is not Q, so it cannot be orange. So out of these two, it is not possible. Okay. Q6 second to the right. Q6 second to the right of the one who likes orange color. So if I take Q here, first right, second right. Q is first right, second right. No. So where I can take Q as Q6 second to the right of the one who likes orange. So see here, if I am taking here as Q, T is facing outside, T's first right, T's second right is Q, and T's color is orange. So satisfied? T's color is orange. Q6 second to the right of T who is liking orange color, right? Satisfied. Now here S is fixed, now black. Now next. Now P likes pink. S black is fixed. V and W not orange. Because V and W are not orange. The remaining option is T. And the one U blue. U is not here. The remaining places are this and this. U is not here. So U must be here. U blue. Now color and person both are available for this. That is P pink. P pink. Okay. So here now this is already used. Now the V and W not orange. V and W not orange means they can be green or white. So it can be V or W. It can be W or V. Okay. This information is not known. Who sits exactly between P and T? Who sits exactly between P and T when counted from right of P? Who sits? The one who likes white color. The person you cannot say whether it is W or V, but definitely the color is white. So answer is option D. Next. What is the position of V with respect to R? Because here V's position is not fixed. It can be either here or here. V's position is not fixed. It can be either here or here. So V with respect to R cannot be determined exactly. So the answer is cannot be determined. Next. 4 of the following are alike in certain way and so form the group. Who among the following does not belong to the group? So here if you see R, U, the one who likes green color, the one who likes white color, the one who likes yellow color. So R, U, the one who likes green color, R, U, the one who likes. So these 4 are placing the side middles. The one who likes yellow color is in the corners. So he is the answer. Which is different means these 4 are alike. This is different because these 4 are placed on the sides. Okay, facing towards center. It is facing outward center in the corner. Next, what is the position of S with respect to one who likes yellow color? So one who likes yellow color, what is the position of S with respect to the one who likes yellow color? The position of S with respect to one who likes yellow color. So here Q is yellow. What is the position of S with respect to the one who likes yellow color? So here the one who likes yellow color is facing the outwards. So it is second to the right. S is second to the right of Q. So answer is second to the right, option B. 19th question, option B. Then 20. How many persons sit between the one who likes yellow color and the one who likes pink color? So there is the one who likes yellow, one who likes pink. So pink is one corner, yellow is one corner. So there are, you have 3 persons. Opposite corners 3. Now next based on inequality, u greater than s is equal to p is one statement, and here n less than m less than or equal to p, z greater than or equal to m greater than or equal to x to u. So here I can go from x, m, z, and z to p. I don't have the relation anywhere. Z to u also I don't have relation anywhere. So first one I cannot establish. Second one, z greater than n, z to n. So here see z m, z greater than m, z greater than or equal to m, n less than m. So m greater than n, n greater than n. So greater equal to, I will give when I am going from z to n. So you have two inequalities, greater equal to greater. So I will give the highest priority for greater. So z greater than n is satisfied. So answer is 2. Answer is 2. Now what about second? So k to b, k greater than b. So f is less than k. So f is less than k. F is less than k means k is greater than f. K is greater than f. F is greater than or equal to g, greater than or equal to d. And here d less than or equal to c means c less than or equal to d means d greater than or equal to c is equal to b. So you have all greater than or equal to or greater equal to. This equality has no significance. So here same type are there. So k greater than b. When I am going from k to b, k greater than b. First one is correct. What is g and a? G greater than d. G a. So a less than or equal to b. A less than or equal to b means b greater than or equal to a. When I am going from g to a, greater than or equal to. So I will get g greater than or equal to a. Here I have one less than. Less than means it is wrong. It is wrong. Only one is correct. So here option is a. In the previous question, the option is b. Option is b. Okay. Next. Z less than y greater than x. T to z. T to w is there. T to w is there. T greater than or equal to. T less than or equal to w. W greater than or equal to t means t less than or equal to w. And w to z. See u, w, v, y, u. And here there is no relation. There is no v, y, c. T less than or equal to w and w greater than v. So two different symbols are there. Less than group, greater than group. So here relation can't be established. And here see x greater than or equal to v. So x, I have to start from x means here if you see x less than or equal to y, greater than z greater than y. Z less than y means y greater than z. Now, do you have anywhere the relation? So two multiple relations are there. X, y, y, u. So I don't have x, y, v, w, c. I am just trying to establish relation. X less than or equal to y. And here y, v greater than or equal to y. V greater than or equal to y means y less than or equal to v. So I can say here both less than or equal to. So x less than or equal to v is the answer, but here we have x greater than, which is wrong. So answer is neither one nor two follows. Next one. P greater than K to V. K to V I have. So KLOE. K less than or equal to L less than or equal to O, and V greater than or equal to O. V greater than or equal to O means O less than or equal to V. So I can say from K to V, K less than or equal to V is correct. E is equal to M. E is equal to M. So E is equal to O is equal to M. E is equal to O is equal to M. So E is equal to M is also correct. So both 1 and 2 are correct. So option E is correct. Option E is correct. Next. Q greater than S greater than or equal to R to S. R to S. R to S. Please see here R to S means I have R to C, C to P, P to D, P to D. So P to S we have R less than or equal to C, less than or equal to P, P S greater than or equal to P means P less than or equal to S. Less than or equal to S. So R less than or equal to C, less than or equal to P, less than or equal to S. And what is N to N is equal to R? N is equal to R. Is it correct? N is equal to R. So after that, S is equal to N now. S is equal to N. So here, when I am taking less than or equal to R, less than or equal to S, R less than or equal to S, I am going to get, and R is equal to N. R is equal to N. So R less than or equal to N, R less than or equal to S, R is equal to N. So S is equal to N means, S is equal to N means, S is equal to N means it can be N also, N also. R less than or equal to N means R less than S, R is equal to S, R is equal to S, either this or this, either this C, R less than or equal to N, R less than or equal to S means, R less than or equal to S means, here already R is N, R is N, so S is N, S is N, so R less than or equal to N means R is equal to N or R less than N, so R less than S or R is equal to N, both are okay, but either 1 or 2, so option C is correct, option C is correct here. Next one, based on data sufficiency, so 1 sufficient, 2 not required, so like that you have different. How many brothers does G have? How many brothers does G have is the question. To answer this, only the first statement is enough or both are required. Let us see. So here S is the only son of V. Who is the father of T? So S is the only son of V. S is the only son of V. Who is the father of T? Means T is not the son, T is the daughter. T is the daughter. So now how many brothers does G have? About G, nothing has been mentioned in the first statement. So I am also taking the second statement. S is the brother of T. S is the brother of T. S is the brother of T. Who is the only sister of G? Who is the only sister of G? Who is the only sister of G? So G is also a daughter of V. G is also a daughter of V. Now how many brothers does G have? G has only one brother. Only one brother. You can answer this question by taking both the statements. So both 1 and 2 together are necessary. So answer is E. Answer is E. Next, among friends, so some data is given. Among 5 friends, element OP, Q, element OP, who is the heaviest? Who is the heaviest? Who is the heaviest? If all are having different weights, N is lighter than only M. N is lighter than, N is lighter than only M. N is lighter than only M. N is lighter than only M. So N is the least. N is lighter than only M. N is lighter than only M means N is lighter than only M. So we can say N is lighter than only M. N is lighter than only M. So all others, N is lighter than only M. So all others are less than N. So now to answer who is the heaviest? Who is the heaviest? M is the heaviest. M is the heaviest. To answer this, 1 is not sufficient, I believe. L is heavier than O. L is heavier than O. L is heavier than O. P is heavier than L. P is heavier than L. L is heavier than O. With this, you cannot say who is having highest weight. But N is lighter than only M. N is lighter than only M. So all others are less than N. So you can say the highest weight is by M. So only 2 is sufficient. So option B. Option B is correct here. Next. Human have brains. Human have, what is the code for human in the language? Human have brains is called as this one. Brains have been. So have brains, have brains. So both the statements are required to find the code for human. If you see here, Ni and Tu. Ni and Tu. Have brains, have brains. Human is VO. To answer the code for human, you need both the statements. Both the statements, thereby option E. Option E is correct. Next, what is the rank of J? What is the rank of J? What is the rank of J from top in class of 25 students? What is the rank of J? J is 4 ranks above V. Who is ninth from bottom? So what you can say, V would be 25 minus 9 plus 1, which is 17. And from this you can say J is 17 minus 4, 13. N minus R plus 1. So it is given that V is 9th from bottom. 9th from bottom, if V is then from top it is 17. And it is given that J is 4 ranks above. 4 ranks above means J is 13. J is 13. Next. So 1 alone is sufficient. Next. J is 5 ranks above M. J is 5 ranks above M. Who is 18 from bottom? M is from top. 25 minus 18 plus 1. Which is 7 plus 1, 8. Thereby J is 5 ranks below M. J is 5 ranks below M means M is 8 means J is 13. J is 13. So to answer the J rank, this statement alone is sufficient. This statement alone is also sufficient. So either statement 1 alone or statement 2 alone is sufficient. So answer C. Answer C is correct. Next. 5 friends A, B, C, D, E. 5 friends A, B, C, D, E are sitting around a circular table facing center. What is the exact position of D with respect to B? Okay. So now 5 friends A, B, C, D, E. Okay, 5 friends. I'm taking 1, 2, some 3, 4, 5. Okay. A sits second to the right of C. A sits second to the right of C. A sits second to the, and what is given? All are facing towards center. A sits second to the right of C means C is here, means C second right is A. Then E does not sit to the immediate right of A. So D is not the immediate neighbor of A. D is not the immediate neighbor of A means D must be here. E does not sit to the immediate right of A. So E is not sitting here means E must sit here. The remaining person is B. So we are able to find out the positions, the position of D with respect to B. The position of D with respect to B. We can answer it is the immediate right. So we can answer the position of D with respect to B with the help of only one. What about 2? What about 2? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B6 second to the right of E. B6 second to the right of E. Okay. A is the immediate neighbor of B. A is the immediate neighbor of B means A may come here or A may come here also. And C sits to the neighbor of E. C sits to the immediate left of E. So C is here. So about the positions of A and D, you cannot fix. So the position of D with respect to B, you cannot answer. You cannot exactly find it. So the answer would be only one. With the help of the first statement, you can exactly find. You can find the exact position of D with respect to B. Only one is sufficient, 2 is not sufficient. So answer is option A. Next, how many pairs of letters? How many pairs of letters are there in the word schedule which have as many letters between them in the word as in the alphabetical series? So if you see D and E, there is no letter in between here. Even in the alphabets also, between D and E, there is no other letter. And other H and L. Please see H and L. H is 8, L is 12. So you have 3 in between. Here also 3 in between are there. Now what else? C and E. C and E between D normally. Here also you have 1. So answer is 3. There are 3 such pairs. Okay. Next. If all the alphabets are rearranged within itself as they appear in English dictionary in the word defaulter, then which of the following will be 7th from the left hand? So they have to be arranged as per the alphabetical order as per English dictionary. First you will get A, then you will get D, then you will get E, then you will get E, then you will get F, then you will get L, then you will get R. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You need the 7th from left. 7th is R. The others you don't need. You need 7th. Already 7th is calculated. 7th is R. Next 33. In a row of students facing north, Rahul is in a row of students facing north. What is given? Rahul is 14 from the left hand. 5 students sit between Rahul and Sam. What is the position? What is the position of Sam from the left hand? If Sam does not sit to the right of Rahul. Right of Rahul. So what is the answer here? In a row of students facing north, Rahul is 14 from the left hand. So if you see here, in a row of students facing north, Rahul is 14 from the left hand. 14 from the left hand. 5 students sit in between. 5 students sit in between Rahul and Sam. Rahul and Sam. What is the position of Sam from left hand? If Sam does not sit to the right of Rahul, so Sam sits here. Sam sits to the left, and 5 students sit between Rahul and Sam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now, what is the position? What is the position of Sam from? What is the position of Sam from left hand? What is this position? This position from me, see, is 14. 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 would be how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it would be 8. It is 8th position. Sam is 8th position. 8th position. So it is 8 from left. 8 from left edge. So answer is option C. Next. Point to give a lady, Samir Shet, she is the only sister of my father's only grandson. My father's only grandson. My father's only grandson. She is the only sister of. She is the only sister of my father's only grandson. How is the lady related to Samir? So it can be either niece or daughter. It can be daughter or niece. So it cannot be determined. Next. So in a certain code, class is written as like this, shape is written as like this. So what is the place? So place P. P is which one? If you see here, class C is 4. C is 4. And E is 5. At the end you have 4, 5. So this is wrong. This is wrong. So 6 double dash or 6 double dash. So what is the code for L? What is the code for L? See, PAL. PAL. So here PAL. AL are different. So these two codes must also be different. So the answer is option D. One thing is the last two should not be 5, 4. The last two should be 4, 5. Because we have CE. C is 4 and E is 5. So I have ignored first two options. And with 4, 5 I have 6 0. 6 hash are beginning. And then you have again hash. So two letters are not same here. So the two codes cannot be same. Definitely the answer has to be option D. Option D. Next. Now, in certain code language, sweets are tasty. Sweets are tasty. Sweets are tasty. Food is called as Sara Fata. Food are good nutrients is called as Nafa Gara. Nutrients are healthy is called as Harana. Healthy sweets, good business is called as Saha Baga. So now write the code for each and every word. Sweets. Sweets is there here. Now sweets are tasty. So take the codes for each and every word. Sweets are tasty food. Then are food. Good. What is the code for good? Then what is the code for nutrients? Then what is the code for healthy? What is the code for business? Healthy sweets, good business. Business. So if you see here, sweets is there. Sweets is there in the first one and the last one. In these two, Sara Fata, Saha Baga. So sweets is called as Sa. The common thing is Sa in these two. So sweets is Sa. Like that R. R is there in first one and this one. In these two, what is common? R is common. So in these two, what is common? Harana, Rafata. So Ra. ARE is called as Ra. Like that, if you write all the codes, tasty would be FA, tasty would be TA, tasty would be TA, sorry, tasty would be TA, tasty would be TA, tasty would be TA, and food would be FA, and good would be GA, and nutrients would be NA, and healthy would be HA, and business would be BA. So like this, you got the codes. Because business is there only here. Only here what is there? BA is there. So like that, if you write the codes, these are the codes for the different words. Now healthy food. Healthy food means Haba. Healthy food means HA. Sorry. Healthy food means what? Healthy food means Hafa. Where you have Hafa? C. So option C is correct. Option C is correct. Similarly, the remaining codes. The code for tasty. The code for tasty is TA. Next. The BA is the code for business. And R is the code for Ra. Next, good nutrients. Good means GA, nutrients means NA. So GA, NA. Next, so this is what reasoning. Now let's go to quant. Quant we can finish very quickly. Now see. What? PNB Bank has rolled out a new plan according to which the rate of simple interest on a sum of money is 5% per annum for first 2.5 years, 6% per annum for next 3.5 years, and 9% per annum for the period beyond the first 6 years. First 6 years. The total simple interest received on a sum of period for 10 years is 6950. So here, first 2.5 years 5. So 5 into 2.5 is 12.5%. Okay, next 3.5 years is 6%. 6 into 3.5 years is 21%. So next 4 years, 4 into 9, 36%. So the total interest is 12.36 plus 21, 57. 57 plus 12.5. 57 plus 12.5 is 69.50. 69.5%. The total interest is given as 6950. If 69.5% is 6950, then the sum 100% would be how much? It would be 10,000. If 69.5% is 6950, then the 100% would be 10,000. Next. 3 friends where Abhi and Ayush donates 9%, 7%, 8% of their respective monthly salaries. The monthly salary of Abhi and Ayush are equal, and the difference between the donations is 66 rupees. 66 rupees. The donation of Veer is 342 rupees less than the total donations made by Abhi and Ayush together. Find the average of their monthly salary. So the salaries of Abhi and Ayush are equal. So the difference between the donations is how much? 66 rupees. And Abhi and Ayush are donating how much? 7% and 8%. So 8% of X minus 7% of X is equal to 66. So 1% is 66 means Their salary, Abhi or Ayush. Their salary X is how much? 1% 66 means 100% of X is 6600. And it is given that total donations made by Abhi and Ayush. Total donations made by Abhi and Ayush is how much? 7% plus 8%, which is 15%. 15% of 6600, which is how much? 990 rupees. 990 rupees. And it is given that the donation of Veer is 342 rupees less than these together. So donation of Veer would be 990 minus 342, which is 648. But he is donating how much Veer? 9%. If 9% is 648. If 9% is, how much is he donating? 9%. If 9% is 648, then total income of what? Veer would be 100%. Which is how much? 9 7 ja, 9 2 ja. So 7200. 9% is 648. So Veer's salary is 7200. Now it is asked, find the average of the monthly salary. So 6600 plus 6600 plus 7200 divided by 3 is the average monthly salary of those three. So how much we are going to get? Everyone, if I am distributing 600 by 2, I am getting 300, so it is 6,800. 6,800. So answer is option B. Option B. Next. XYZ is an education-based company which doubles in turnovers in 2015 from 12 CR in 2014. Then it tripled its turnover in 2016 over its previous year, and again increased its turnover by 37.5% in 2017 over the previous year. Find its current turnover is what percentage of it in 2014. So here see, in 2014 I am taking 15, 16 and 17. You just see, it is given, it doubled its turnover in 2015 from 12 crores in 2014. So in 2014 it was 12. In 15 it is doubled. In double means it has become 24. And then in 16, then it tripled in turnover in 16 as compared to previous year, means this, here it is doubled, here it is tripled, and again increased its turnover by 37.5% in 2007 over the previous year. So on 72, 37.5% is 3 by 8. 8, 9, 72, 9, 3 is 27. So 27 increase becomes 99. So find its current turnover is what percentage of 2014. Current turnover is 99, 2014 is 12. 99 is what percentage of 12? So if you see here, what is the answer? 12 7s are 12 8s are 96. 12 8s are 96. 30 means 0.25. So 825%. 825%. Option C. Option C is correct. Then, if 13 years are subtracted from the present age of Ani and the remainder is divided by 8, it gives the age of his granddaughter Hardeep. If Hardeep is 27 years younger than his father, then find the average age of all the three, given that the present age of Hani's only son is 34 years. Hani has no daughter. So Hani's present age, let it be X. Age of granddaughter of Hardik would be how much? Hani's age subtracted divided by 8. Okay, divided by 8 would be what? Granddaughter Hardeep. Age of his granddaughter Hardeep. Age of granddaughter Hardeep. Plus 27. Plus 27 will be 34. Will be 34. So from this, what I will get? 34 minus 27, 7. 7 into 8, 56. So x is equal to 69. So Honey's age is 69. If Honey's age is 69, then age of Hardeep, this is age of Hardeep. Age of Hardeep would be age of Hardeep. Age of Hardeep would be 69 minus 13 by 8, which is 7. Which is 7. So now find the average. Find the average age. One is 69, one is 7, and one is 34. So how much you are going to get? 69 plus 7, 76 plus 34, 110 by 3. 110 by 3 is 36 2 by 3. 36 2 by 3 years. So answer is option A. Option A. Next. Sandeep rolled 2 dice at the same time. Find the probability of getting some 9 or more on both dices. When 2 dice are thrown, the sample space is n of s is 36. And what are favorable outcomes here? Getting a sum 9 or more than 9. So 3 9, 3 6 3 6. So 4 5 4 6 5 4 and 5 5 and 5 6. I can take 6 3. I can take 6 4. I can take 6 5. Also I can take 6 6. So how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. There are 10 favorable outcomes. Getting a sum 9 or more means when 2 dice are thrown simultaneously, the sum is 9 or more, means it can be 9, 10, 11 or 12. So how many possible outcomes are there? 10. 10 by 36. So it is 2 5s are 2 18s are. 5 by 18. 5 by 18 means option D. Next, the questions based on quadratic equations here. 15x square plus 38x plus 16. So what is the value of x you are going to get? And what is the value of y you are going to get? So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. X is equal to minus b plus r minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. How much you are going to get? So it is 38 square 1444 minus 415 the 60 60 60 the 960. 1444 minus 960. 1444 minus 960 is 40 plus 484 22 minus 38 plus 22 minus 38 plus 22 is how much? So how much you are going to get here? So like if I simplify, I am directly writing the values. Ax square plus bx plus c. What is the value you are going to get? Please tell me. It is 15x square plus 15 6 are 15 16 are 240. 38 are 240. So what I am going to get here? 15x plus a into x plus 2. So I will get x as minus 2 or minus 8 by 15. Minus 8 by 15. Then what about y? Y is minus b. Minus 20 plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Without doing this also I can do 8 12 96. 96 is the product. So sum is 20. So what are those? I can take 8 plus 12 is 20. 8 12 96. So I will get how much? 4 8s are 12 8s are 96. 96 4s are 384. 220 square is 400 minus 384 is 16. Minus 20 plus 16. Minus 20 plus 16 is minus 16. Minus 16 by 16 is minus 1. R. Minus 20 minus 4. Minus 24 by minus 16. minus 24 by minus 16. Minus 24 by minus 16 means how much? Minus 24 by minus 16 means I will get 4 6 times 4 4 6 times 4 times is 6 4 times how much? 8 3 times 8 2 times. So minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So minus 2 is less than minus 1. Okay, and minus 2 is less than minus 3 by 2. And what is the relation here? Is there any relation you are going to bring out? Minus 8 by 15. So here you cannot establish any relation. So no relation can be established. So option A. Option A is correct. Here option A is correct. Next, second question. 8x square plus 19x plus 11. So here x should be how much? X should be 11x are 11 plus 8. So you will get minus 11 by 8 or minus 1. And y is equal to how much? 22x are 176. 22x are 176. 11 16 are 11 plus 60 27. 22x are 176. 11 16 are 176. So plus 11 plus 16. So I am going to get y as how much? 8y square. So minus 11 by 8 or minus 16 by 8. Minus 16 by 8 means minus 2. So I will get x as minus 11 by 8 or minus 1. Y as minus 11 by 2 or 2. Definitely here minus 11 by 8 is less than minus 2. So it is more than this. Minus 1 is more than minus 1, minus 2. So you can say these two are equal. So x is greater than or equal to y. X is greater than or equal to y. Option D is the answer. Next. 6x square minus 3x plus 3. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. So minus 6. So what I can take? Minus 6 minus 3. So I will get x as 1 or 1 by 2. And here I will get y as minus 8 minus 3. So I will get y as 1 or 3 by 8. 1 or 3 by 8. So again here no relation. No relation. Relation can't be established. Then next 5x 5 11s are 55. 55 and sum is 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 is 6. So if I take 5x common, I will get so x is equal to 1 or minus 11 by 5. And what I will get y as 20 43s are 860. 20 43s are 860. 860 means 43 minus 20. 43 minus 20 is 23. So I will get y as 1 or minus 43 by 20. Minus 43 by 20. Here also no relation. No relation can be established. So answer is option A. So here 3x plus 7y is equal to 28. If you solve this, simply you will get x as 7, y as 1. 27, 21 plus 7 is 28 and 35 plus 3 is 38. X 7, y 1. So definitely x is greater than y. X is greater than y. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Next. Next is based on number series. The questions number 51 to 55 are based on number series. So if you see here 82, 111, 147, 191, missing term 300. It's a slowly increasing, it's an increasing sequence addition series. So 82, 111, 147, 191, missing term 307. It's an increasing sequence 82 plus 29. 111 plus 36, 147 plus 44. Here it should be how much? Here it should be how much? Here difference increased by 7. Here difference increased by 8. So here difference has to be increased by 9. Here it has to be increased by 10. 44 plus 9, 53. 53 plus 10, 16.3. Let me check. 191 plus 53 is 244. 244 is there in the option. 244 plus 63 is 307. Correct. So answer is 244. Next. Missing term 48, 17.2, 180, 630, 2835. So it says definitely sudden increase is there. When sudden increase is there, think of multiplication. So how 48 becomes 72 in terms of multiplication? 48 into 1.5. 17.2 into 2.5. 180 into 3.5. Similarly, it is 4.5. So your first thing should be something into 0.5. So it should be 96. 96 into 0.5 is 48. So answer is 96. Answer is 96. The next 51 to 55. So it is also definitely sudden increase. 6 becomes some value 568, 3414, 13,000, 660 and 27322. If you see here very clearly, what is the logic here? 6 becomes some value, it becomes 568, it becomes 3414, it becomes 13,660, it becomes 27322. Okay, so it is 13,660, 27,320. It is very close to double. It is 3,500, 13,000. I think it is very close to 3 times. Let me 3 or 4. 4 times. 34 4s are 136. 2 4 means it is 6 times. It is 8 times. It is 10 times. This is the logic. And what is the logic here? 13,660 into 2 is 27320 plus 2. 3414 into 4 plus 4 into 6 plus 6 into 8 plus 8 into 10 plus 10. 6 into 10, 60 plus 10, 6 into 10, 60, 60 plus 10, 70. 70 into 8, 560 plus 8, 568. So answer is 70. Answer is 70. The next 589, 468, 589, 468, 387, 338, 313. So what is next term? So definitely it is decreasing series, but not sudden decreasing, slow decreasing only. So we have to take difference only. So here 338, 313. The difference is how much? 25. 387, 589, 468, 121. 8 minus 7, 1. 46 minus 38, 17 minus 8, 9. So 49. So it is 11 square, it is 9 square, it is 11 square, it is 9 square, it is 7 square, it is 5 square. So this difference has to be 3 square, 9. 313 minus 9 is 304. So 304 is the answer. Next. 12, 12, 12, 12, 15, 23, 38, missing term. So 12 definitely slow increase. Here difference is 0, here difference is 3, here difference is 8, here difference is 15. Here difference must be how much? It is 1 square minus 1, it is 2 square minus 1, it is 3 square minus 1, it is 4 square minus 1. So this difference has to be 5 square minus 1, 24. 38 plus 24 is 16, 2. 16, 2 is the answer. Now next, Ritu. Now word based questions we have entered to. Ritu and Anu together can do work in 16 days. And Anu alone can do it in 24 days. Neha alone can do the same work in 30 days. Then find the ratio of the Neha efficiency to Ritu efficiency. So see here, Rita and Anu. Anu alone 24. Okay. So Rita alone can do it how many days? Rita alone, xy by x minus y. 24 into 16 by 24 minus 16. 24 minus 16 is 8. 8 2 are 16. So Ritu alone can do it in 48 days. And Neha alone can do. Neha alone can do the work in 30 days. Okay. So the ratio of times taken, how much it is, how many times? 6 5s are 6 8s are 6 5s are 6 8s are. Ritu alone is taking 48 days. Neha alone 30 days. So times taken in the ratio 5:8. So efficiency in the ratio 8:5. So answer is 8:5. Next. How many integers from 5000 to 5999 have at least one digit repeated? So have at least one, the total number of numbers from 5000 to 5999 are 1000 numbers. From this, at least one of which is repeated. 1000 minus no repetition. 1000 minus no repetition. In total, you have 1000 numbers. Out of them, how many have no repetition? In how many numbers there is no repetition? So 5000 to 5999 means 4-digit number. First number is fixed as 5 in math. Out of remaining 9 digits, it can be any of the 9. Whatever is used to should not be used here. 8 base, 7 base. So 9 into 8 into 7. 9 8s are 17 into 7s are 504. No repetition. 504 no repetition. 1000 minus 504, which is 496. There are 496 digits which have at least one of the digits repeated. So answer is 496. Next. Now you have simplification based questions. 35% off, 35% off, 48% off, 2/5 off, 15,000. So here 5 7s are 35. So 3 zeros cancel. Now it is 2 5s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 48 3s are 144. 144 7s are how much? Is 144 7s are 1008. 1008. So answer is 1008. Answer is 1008. In fact, 7 8s are 56. 6 3s are 18. Last is 8 is there only for one option. So answer is option 1008. Next, 24 into 435. 24 into 435 divided by question mark. So see here, 24 into 435 divided by x plus root 256 is 16. 45% of 40. 45% of 40 is how much? 18. Okay. 45% of 40 is 18. Root over is equal to 18. So whenever I am squaring this, it is 18 square, means 324. So 24 into 435 divided by x. 324 minus 16 plus 18 is 34. 324 minus 34 is 290. 290. Now 145 2 ja, 145 3 ja. So now how much we are going to get? X is equal to 36. 12 24, 12 3 36. So x is 36. X is 36. Next question. Next question. So 238 by 4. 238 by 4 is how much? 238 by 4. 238. 4 15, 4 5s are 20, 4 59.5, 59.5, 59.5 plus 36.5, 59.5 plus 36.5 divided by 12. 59.5 plus 36.5 divided by 12 is how much? 59 plus 36 is 95, is 96. 96 by 12 is 8. 8 is how much percentage of 64? 8 is 1 by 8 of 64. 1 by 8 means how much? 12.5%. 12.5%. So answer is 12.5. Next, 11664. 11664. So here, what is the square root of 11664? Is 2 I am taking here 10, 8, 108. I am taking 3, 3, 4. It is 42. 42. 108 plus 42 into x is equal to 125 into 12. 125 into 12. So 108 plus 42 is 150. 150 means 25 5s are 25 6s are and 6 2s are. So x should be 10. X should be 10. So answer is 10. Next. 4 minus 3, 1 plus 5, 6 minus 2, 4. Plus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 9 minus 7 by 12. The LCM here is 36. So 3 is there, 12 2 is 24, 6 1s are 6, 4 5s are 20, 7 3s are 21. So 24 minus 6, 18, 18 plus 20, 38, 38 minus 21, 38 minus 21 is 17. 4, 17 by 36. So answer is option A. Option A. Next, questions based on time and distance is there. The distance between Delhi Junction and Patna is 1200 kilometer. 1200 kilometer. A train P starts from Patna at a speed of x km per hour towards Delhi Junction. Another train Q starts from Patna at a speed of x plus 30 km per hour. In the same direction. 7 hours later than start of train P. Start of train P. If train Q crosses train P, in 5 hours after its start, then find the distance of train P. Find the speed of train P. So the distance covered by train P in 7 hours. So the distance, the speed is x. Train P speed is x. In 7 hours it can cover 7x distance. And it is given that it has taken 5 hours. So distance by relative speed. Relative speed means relative distance by relative speed. Relative distance by relative speed. Both are moving in the same direction. So I will take x plus 3 minus x. So here how much I am going to get here? X cancel, 30 into 5, 150. So x is equal to 150 by 7. 150 by 7 km per hour. It is already given that train P speed is x, and what is given here? 7 hours later than start from train P, another train started. So in this 7 hours, already the first train has covered 7x kilometer. The relative distance is 7x. 7x. So relative distance by relative speed will be the time. If train Q crosses train P in 5 hours, so time is equal to distance by speed. Relative distance by relative speed. You got the value of x, which is the speed of train P. Next. A shopkeeper purchased an article at some discount on market price. and raised the market price of an article by 80%. Okay, so the market price of the article I am taking as 100. Okay, and he is raising it by 80%. 118%. Then he allows two successive discounts. 37.5% means 3/8 reduction. So on that 3/8 reduction means 5/8. Again one more discount. 44 4/9 means 4/9. So 5/9. So what would be its value now? 180. So how many times? 8 how many times? 9 20s are 80. It is selling price. It is a selling price. So 20 into 5, 100 into 5, 500 by 8. 500 by 8 is how much? 62.5. 62.5 is selling price. On selling the article, he still makes a profit of 4/6%. So if the cost price is known, if the cost price is some value, then he is getting a profit of 4/6%. 4/6% means what does it mean? What does it mean? It is 104/1/6% of cost price, because selling price there is a profit on cost price. So 16, I am not taking in terms of percentage the market price value. The market price value I am taking as rupees 100. Okay, thereby I got the market price as 100. Market price is 100. On that it is increased by 80. So becomes 180. And on that successive discounts are there. So finally it is sold for 62.5. After selling also there is a profit of 4/1/6. So it is sold for 104/1/6% of cost price, which is 16.2.5. 16.2.5. 62 point. Otherwise, let me take the percentage itself. Thereby for me calculation will be easy. Calculation would be easy. 62.5% means how much? 5/8. 5 by direct fraction value of writing. So it is 625/600 into cost price. So from this 25/25s are 25/24s are 8/3s are 5/5s are. So cost price I got as 3/5. 3/5 means 16%. So what does it mean? What discount percent should shopkeeper has bought the article? The market price is 100%. For him it is costing how much? 60%. The market price is 100%, but he is buying for 60%. So how much reduction is there? 40%. So answer is the discount percent the shopkeeper has purchased. The shopkeeper has purchased it 40% on the original market price. Next, A is an alloy of two types of metals X and Y, and B is an alloy of two types of metals Y and Z. Some quantity of B is mixed with 30 grams of A to form another alloy which has 55% of Y metal concentration. Find the quantity of B taken if an alloy A has 60% of Y concentration. So see here, A and B are the alloys. A it has 16% of Y and B is 30. 40, how much? B has 40. And in overall, it is given 55. Now apply alligation rule. 55 minus 40 is 15. 60 minus 55 is 5. So 3:1. Because, and moreover, it is already given that 30 grams of A is taken. So this 3 parts is 30. If 3 parts is 30, 1 part would be how much? 10 grams. So answer is 10 grams. Answer is 10 grams. Now, the line graph when given below shows the number of students who have been selected in banking exam and in SSC exam from a reputed coaching institute in 6 different years. Find the ratio. Find the ratio of number of students. Find the ratio of number of students Find the ratio of total number of students selected in banking exam from 2015 to 2017. Together, the total number of students selected in SSC exam from 2012 to 2014 together. The ratio. Please see here in banking what is the number of figures, which is 1400, 1600. Already given everything in hundreds. 1400, 1600, 1800. From 15 to 17, 12 to 14, 12 to 14 in SSC how much? It is 900, 8 and then between 900, and you have 1300 and 1200. So 2 zeros cancel, 14 plus 16, 13 plus 18, 48, 9 plus 13, 22, 22 plus 12, 34. So it is 2 24s are, 2 17s are. 24 is to 17, where you have option A. Next, if the average number of students selected in both the exams in 2016 is what percentage more or less than the average number of students selected in both exams in 17? In 16, 10 plus 16, how much? 10 plus 16 is 26. Average is 13. Average is 13. 10 plus 16, 26. The average is 13. And in 17, it is 12 plus 18, 30. 30 average is 15. So 13 is how much percentage less than 15? Difference by base value into 100. So what is the value? So it is how much? 200 by 15. 200 by 15. How much? 13, 1 by 3%. Okay, 5 3s are, 5 20s are. Okay, 13, 1 by 3%. Next question. So here, what is the ratio of the total number of students selected in banking from 13 to 15? Total number of students selected SSC from 13 to 15. So take the ratio. If you take the ratio here, they are direct figures. It is not difficult. It is how much? 1600 plus 1200 plus 1400 divided by 1300 plus 1200 plus 1500. So what is the ratio you are going to get? 16 plus 12, 28 plus 14, 42 divided by 13 plus 12, 25 plus 15, 40. So it is 21 is to 20. 21 is to 20, where you have option B. Next, every year 20% of students who passed in bank exam also passed in SSC exam. Then find the average number of students who passed both the exams from 2014 to 2016. So here every year is given 20%. 20% of students. Yes or no? Every year 20% of students. So 2014 to 2016. So 20% of 1200. 20% of 1200 plus 20% of 1400 plus 20% of 1600 divided by 3. Divided by 3. How much you are going to get here? 20% of 1200 is 240. 20% of 1400 is 280. 20% of 1600 is 320. Divided by 320 plus 280. 600 plus 240. 840 divided by 3 is 280. So answer is 280. Answer is 280. So it is 14, 15 and 16. 14 which is 1200. And 15 which is how much? 1400. In 16 which is how much? It is in 16, 1600. 1600. So like that. Now, find the difference between the total number of students who passed bank exam from 30 to 15 and total number of students SSC from 14 to 16. So, 16 plus 12, 28 plus 14, 42 minus 12 plus 15, 27 plus 10, 37. 4200 minus 3700, which is 500. So, answer is 500. Next, we have a table here. So, total number of books is equal to books for medical study, engineering books plus books for management study. So, here we have ABCD colleges. Total number of books are given. Books for medical study. Books for medical study are given as a percentage. Now, find the ratio of the total non-medical books available in colleges B and C. So, if 30% are medical means the remaining are non-medical, 20% medical means 18% non-medical. So, like that, find the ratio of the total number of non-medical books available in colleges B and C to the total number of medical books available in colleges A, B and C. Non-medical B and C. Non-medical B and C. Non-medical B and C is how much? Non-medical B and C. Non-medical B and C, 70% of 350 plus 80% of 325 is non-medical. And ABC medical. ABC medical. A is 40% of 425, 13% of 350 plus 20% of 325. If you simplify this, 70% of 350 is 245, 80% of 325. 80% means 260 plus and 40% of 425. How much is 170? 30% of 350. 30% of 350 is how much? 105. 20% of 325 is 65. So what is the ratio you are going to get? 245 plus 260 is 505. And the sum of these is how much? 170 plus 170, 340. So now what is the value you are going to get? 101 times 568 times 101 is to 68. So like this. So you please complete the remaining things. Okay. So if any problems, if any doubts are there, you can ask me. Right? These questions you can do. Thank you.
It's going great. At the house. Be there.